Hi, thank you so much for inquiring about the Certified Art Educators Teachers Training Program. I am Hemali and I'm the curriculum maker of the Academics of iCraft Education. Let us understand what this Teachers Training Program is all about. So first of all, this training program is 1 year long. We will have weekly Zoom live sessions right from January 2026 to December 2026. In this weekly program, we will learn about how to integrate art into learning, how to teach the chapters, how to teach different age groups, how to holistically use art for the development of the kids. Apart from this, we will learn how to do simple marketing, how to handle parents, how to develop a proper business model when it comes to art education. We have the books as the reference material right from nursery to grade 8. Right, so you will be getting, as your own teacher's set, you will be getting 11 different textbooks, right from for all different grades, workbooks, and also you will be getting the kits. In the kit, there are the base materials which the students will require to have their hands-on experience for whatever respective grades they are. This whole set from nursery to grade 8 will be for you, so that you can try your hands on, you can learn for yourself what you will be teaching to the students. At the end, you will be participating in assignments and project makings. This will help you build up your own portfolio so that you will be certified ready for 3 different things. After this program, you can start your own drawing class where you will be teaching a curriculum which is already aligned with NEP 2020 and NCF 2023. Also, if you are already running your art and craft class, this will make it different from the others, as of course the national policy is aligned here. Second thing that you can benefit from this is if you already are an art educator or if you are trying to apply as an art educator in maybe schools. This is the feather in your hat. This is a certified program which will give you additional benefits than what your regular education is in. And the third thing is you may have a chance to work with us as a mentors to training different other teachers as well. With this, also you will get reference videos. These videos will be chapter-wise videos for tutorials of different chapters for the students, and it will also have teachers training videos for future references. So do not wait. Enroll right now. Connect us on this number if you have any more doubts or to move ahead with us. Thank you.